Hey, welcome back. So, on this video, I'm gonna do earning prediction for Dollar General, NIO, CrowdStrike, and HEWLETT Enterprise, and then I will review a couple earning ticker that I did before and see how it is right now. So for Dollar General, let me see. If you look long term, it go, look at this, all the way up to 260, then went all the way back down. Right, there's a lot. So where's it now? Let's see. If you do a trend line all the way top down, all right, so you can see for long-term trend, it just broke out. Now we zoom it back a little bit in. All right, so looked like it broke out, came back down, tested, bounce again, tested one more time, and then bounce. Now it's pulling back. So if you look, where did it stop? Right here. And you go back, you can see it touched right here and right here at this level. So now, what's next? Zoom a little bit more. Okay, so remember, this is the gap, right? And people say all the gaps will be filled. So I will put a gap here, 122. Okay. So let me see. So right now, if you look, this almost like a cup and a handle. Let me draw it real quick. So cup and a handle. Then it broke out. Pull back from the last high. I mean low. Sorry. So now, where will it head to? Low, low. Okay. So right now is right at the previous high as well as right here. So in a way, it has a little support. However, it's been a little bit oversold. So I expect it to go down. Right now, if it has good earning, you can see this level right here from the previous low, and then also here they got this pivot point as well, and over here really, but this level, I picked this level because of previous low from this chunk of line, right? So we got 114, and then we got 93. So let's zoom it a little bit more. Okay. So here is 93. I expect a pullback, but with really good number, 114. It might not get there in a day, but probably this week or next week. When it has good number and break out of this out above this 102, 103 level. All right, so that's just for Dollar General. All right, NIO. Wow, look like it's beat up really bad. Okay, let's see. Wow. Okay, we don't need to look that far. Okay, so oversold. Now this is interesting. Why? Because so basically this stock had been beating up so bad, where now anything can make it bounce. I mean, it did try a bounce with the rest of the stock market, but then because of its, I would say, fundamental and with the pullback of economy, people not buying much up before. However, this might, okay, so you see earning right here, it was high. So that's why, and it's also at the resistance, so it kind of like pull back and then went lower with the market. Now, I expect it to come back and gotta zoom a little bit more. Bounce with just okay number. We get a bounce because it's been oversold really bad. Where will it go to? About $4.20. And of course, if the outlook is bad, which is typical right now for a lot of auto stocks, we might see $3. Make it 306, 305 even. So NIO 420 most likely, but with bad outlook 305. CrowdStrike, one of popular stock. Okay, so basically you can see if you look in, let's clone this, pull it here. Nope. Really? Yeah. Okay, so still good. So right now is uptrend. However, it is oversold and it's right next to the resistance right now. And also you can see we did like an W pattern. So an inverse of an M. So I expected a pullback. Where? Probably around here. 430. So 430 is my prediction. However, with really good number, wow, it's all-time high. It might be going higher. The sky is the limit right now. But I would say make it 520. That's right here. So 520 is the top level, which I don't think is likely unless the number is really good. Most likely a pullback to 430. Hewlett Packard. So looks like this a long time ago. So we are at close to the support right now. It is a major support. After a big rally, it kind of like selling a little bit. However, you can see it has a bull flag, right? And also it kind of like let me zoom in a little so it's easier to see. So bull flag, right? Also it coming to the support here. So I expect a bounce. How high? 1926. Why? It just right here. This last low of this chunk. And also you can see kind of right here and then right here and a little bit here. The pivot points. So with good number, good earning, see that. Well, if it has bad number, just like the HPQ, gonna pull back. So where would it be? I'm thinking about right here at 1650. 1630. Is the lower limit of pullback. So would be just like his sister company who may have a pullback with not good outlook, but on the enterprise with data center and everything, you never know, the number may be good and will hit 1926. All right, so we're done with those, and I want to go back to RIVN as one of my subscriber as before, and you can see right here I say it's most likely came up here, coming back down to the channel, and will test 1450, which is right here, right here. I'm sorry, right here. So it did, and I pulled back a little bit more, and right now it's at 1410. Okay, so what's next? I expect a bounce. Maybe tomorrow we'll have another pullback. I'm not sure, but most likely we'll have a bounce. So this is 1375. So 13 75 and then a bounce. I would say 1534 will be the next. Okay, so maybe a pullback, not a day or two, just a little, then bounce. That's for RIVN. You can see kind of oversold after check. About 18%. So pretty good pullback. Most likely a bounce coming up. Yeah. Next is another one that a lot of people been talking about, and I have a little bit, just some share. Just, some share as a lottery. Okay, so now you can see for United Health, huge pullback. How much? Almost 60%, right? So now what's going on with this? So right now you can see it came back up all the way here, pull back, testing this again as the previous low here. What's the next level? 335. That is another level. And then you see the gap at 378. It might go there. I don't know how long, but it's about time. So I will put this as orange. This is most likely a green, and right now we are at the red line. So so far so good. Still oversold with a lot of short. We may have another squeeze up here to 335. I would say in about a couple weeks we'll see it, if not this week by Friday. Alright, thank you everybody for watching. Please click a like, share, and subscribe for more video like this. Thank you. Good night.